Alexander, thank you for speaking today at this year's Future Steel Forum. Your panel focused on your digital technologies and robotics. Can you just highlight some of the points you tried to get across, or what were your main talking points during that panel?
Yes, thanks a lot for this invitation to speak on this panel on this very important topic of humans and machines and their interaction in modern digital steel mills. Um, so if you were listening to the panel, it was obvious that we all shared some common visions, and you rarely have that at that type of panels. Uh, so we all believe that operators will be transformed towards supervisors of the plant. And that really makes several changes necessary in how the operator or then supervisor will really interact with the plant. Well, and this is also something that will not be enabled just by one single step, one single chain. It's a journey. We are all going along in this direction. And to be honest, having at the end not only the operator transformed into a supervisor, the story is even wider. And this was also mentioned in our last round of questions. Basically, if we are looking ahead to the next 5 years, 10 years, um, we are all focusing towards autonomously operating plants. And there are really good reasons why to go in that direction. On the one hand side, we do not have skilled personnel anymore due to demographic change. So we need to address that topic. But on the other hand, we would like also to raise the quality of the production to reduce the failures in the production and so on. And the more you put the automation into the forefront, the more stable your production becomes, and thus the more you can improve all your processes in that direction. So I'm pretty sure that we will really end up and mainly autonomously operating plants with supervisors, but always people there to do the remaining tasks where you really need human beings, where you really need manual operation. But as I already said, this is a journey. Journey that needs to be done from gate to gate.
And on this journey, what are some of the challenges, automation and robotics faces?
We really need to integrate different systems. You just mentioned robotics. Out of the operator pulpit, there are a lot of duties down the shop floor you cannot do manually. So today, operators sometimes need to, or people from maintenance teams somehow need to enter safety areas, really to go to the machinery, to check for things. Here, robots can help us. Could be humanoids, could be animals, most likely animals. So safety will be improved. And on the other hand, strong tasks need to be overtaken also by these robots, for example.
And just to finish off, apart from being able to participate in these kind of panels, what else draws you to Future Steel Forum this year?
So this is already my fourth Future Steel Forum, and I'm always very happy that I can come back and that I'm invited to speak here at this conference, because the Future Steel Forum really developed through one of the major steel events in the past years, where you really have decision makers in a small group here. You have very good discussions at the end, a very broad view on the emerging topics of green transformation and digitalization, and of course their combination in the different aspects.
Great. Thank you very much.